In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-page website in Lovable. Lovable Tutorial 2025. First, open your browser and head to Google. This keeps things simple and ensures you land on the correct site. In the search bar, type Lovable, then look for the official Lovable result in the listings. Click through to open the site. Lovable is an AI-powered website builder, so the workflow is prompt-driven. You describe what you want, and it assembles the structure, pages, and navigation for you. Once you're on the Lovable dashboard, you'll see a prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Think of the prompt as your project brief. The clearer and more complete it is, the better your multi-page site will turn out. For example, you can paste something like this. Create a professional multi-page e-commerce website for men's and women's shoes with a modern design, responsive layout, hero homepage, product grids, product detail pages, about, and contact pages. Include filters for gender, category, and price. Use placeholder product content. Ensure full navigation linking, and optimize all pages for fast loading. Notice how that request covers 5 essentials. It names the purpose of the site, defines the design style and responsiveness, lists the pages we need, specifies functional details like filters, and asks for performance and complete navigation. That level of detail helps Lovable connect all the pages together so users can move smoothly from the homepage to product grids, into product detail pages, and over to about and contact without any dead ends. If you're building something different, just swap in your topic but keep the structure of the request. Purpose, pages, design, functionality, and performance. Short, direct sentences work best. Mention responsive layout so your site looks great on mobile and desktop. If you don't have assets ready, tell Lovable to use placeholder content that keeps momentum while you gather real text and images. You can also call out filters or categories important to your audience, like price ranges or product types, so the site is usable from day one. When your prompt is ready, click Submit. Lovable will begin generating your multi-page website based on your instructions. This can take a moment. As it builds, it lays out the homepage with a hero section, assembles product grids, connects product detail pages, and wires up about and contact, all linked in the navigation. You should end up with a coherent, fast-loading site that's easy to extend after generation. And that's the process. Head to Google, search for Lovable, open the site, craft a clear prompt that spells out pages and features, and click Submit. With a strong prompt, you'll get a polished multi-page website ready for your next steps.